will be a great thing for our country. You know why? Because we'll work out a deal very fast with the Democrats on DACA. We'll work out a deal very quickly with Democrats on DACA.
Are you waiting for now you have it?
We're waiting for the Supreme Court decision.
Will you keep the shutdown going on until the Supreme Court decides?
We'll see how long the shutdown goes on. Look, this shutdown could end tomorrow, and it could also go on for a long time. It's really dependent on the Democrats.
What are the chances it ends tomorrow?
It's really depending on the Democrats. Well, we're going to see how we do here.
Good girl.
Everybody knows.
This is Fox News on Sirius XM Channel 114.
Mitt Romney hadn't even been sworn in as a senator from Utah when he ripped President Trump in a Washington Post op-ed, generating a tsunami of coverage about whether he'll lead the GOP resistance. Romney was noticeably milder with CNN's Jake Tapper.
The Charlottesville response by the president was something that gave me great concern. The support for Roy Moore in the Senate race was something I was very, very concerned about. His attack on the media, and I think it's very important for a president to demonstrate the qualities of integrity and honesty, forthrightness, empathy, and respect for the institutions of our democratic republic.
President Trump offered only a mild rebuttal on Twitter and in speaking to reporters.
I was surprised at Mitt Romney, but...
Pardo, president of Atraza, America's #1 supplier of glass office chair mats. If your office feels worn out because of plastic mats that dent or crack and the corners curl up, a glass chair mat will change your life. The Atraza glass chair mats are made of super strong glass and protected with invisible Shield Pro 15, nanotech coating to resist fine scratches. And we've just introduced a forever warranty. You'll glide so smoothly.
Continue to confirm constitutionalist judges to the federal bench and make certain that we are going to represent the views of our constituents. I want to, I want to make certain that as we look at our judiciary that we have individuals that are...
You think that's really what's behind this?
I think it is because the two senators who are against the Knights of Columbus are very pro-abortion. And I know that Representative Gabbard is also pro-abortion, but she's also pro-American, in this case saying religious freedom applies to everybody, not just to people who agree with abortion.
Well, let's look at what she actually said in her op-ed. She said if Boucher is unqualified because of his Catholicism and affiliation with the Knights of Columbus, then President John F. Kennedy and Ted Kennedy would
launch the activities throughout the region. These are terrible, stupid initiatives on the part of Iran's leadership. They're angering the Europeans, turning the world against them, and this really shows why Iran has so many sanctions in place to try to stop this.
potential of owning their own home-based business. And right now you have the opportunity to join our low investment franchise network. Budget Blinds has been an established name for over 20 years. When you join our franchise, you get all the benefits of a well-known national brand, plus the added benefit of nearly $10 million in marketing to help drive customers to you. Don't wait another year to make a change. Transform your career and enjoy a flexible lifestyle by owning your own successful business. Call Budget Blinds today. But hurry, franchise opportunity.
The old one's been discounted now. Oh, I don't believe how many cars just went through. A school bus stopped, and a couple of cars went through it, and there was a cop sitting right there. And he's got them. I'm going to save that.
He got them?
He got them. Yep, they ran through the school bus stop sign.
Oh, dear.
And he's sitting right there. They couldn't have missed seeing him. Oh, and there goes another one. I think he's going after the second car, or he's just going to help the first one. Because there was 2 cars at least that went through that.
Oh, my gosh.
So, they're enforcing it a lot in Knoxville now.
Good. That's how kids get killed.
Well, yeah, and it's mostly because that woman decided she was going to run a stop sign, and she hit a kid, and I don't remember if the kid died or not. So, oh no, that cop's just going to help the other one. Whoa, no, he pulled right back out, and I think he's going to stop the other car. This is wild. I'm loving this. Yep, he's stopping that other car. Apparently the first one's told him which one it was. I love it. I'm loving it. And that car's not pulling over.
Oh.
I can't tell if he's got his siren on, but he's got his lights on.
If they don't pull over, that's when they do the sirens.
Yeah. Okay, they're turning. And he's going after them. Yeah. I love it.
Composed of organic echinacea, zinc, and vitamin C, designed to support
guy
your immune
is
system the right
all
way.
over the road.
Now available on Amazon, Kroger, and your local
his
health
phone.
mart. Visit the store locator at ezzpak.com for a location nearest you.
These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Online faster. Your college and work experience could help you finish in under 2 years. As a public nonprofit university, Purdue Global has saved students over $300 million by awarding nearly 1 million transfer credits in the past 2 years. Isn't it time